Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today I have a little bit of a different video. It's going to be a food-related video today. I want to thank Snowie for sponsoring this review. They sent all these flavors out. It is going to be 18 in total. Let me grab my list real quick, and I will let you guys know what flavors we have. Keep in mind, so I did pay for these, some of these myself. They sent me the 18 pack out for a review, but I had already had some, so that's why some of these are still sealed, is because I already had some open, so I didn't need to open a new one to try it. Let me pull up Amazon here and I will let you know. Yep, so it's going to be 18 flavors. I think I am missing 3 of them because I use them, so I may not have them here, but I'm going to give you the flavor list as well as the Amazon link down below so you guys can check this out yourself. So first off, the list is going to be pink cotton candy, blue bubblegum, root beer, orange pineapple, pina colada, tiger's blood, blue raspberry, wild cherry, strawberry, pink lemonade, sour grape, lemon lime, blue fruit punch, margarita watermelon, sugar-free lemon lime, sugar-free blue raspberry, and sugar-free wild cherry. One of the ones I don't remember seeing is pink lemonade. I do have a pink lemon sour. I don't know if they changed the name on that. So there may be a little bit of a deviation in the current 18-pack flavors and these right here. I did get these a few months ago, and I was just waiting for summertime to review them when this kind of stuff is a little bit more popular. So you do get, I want to say, 2, 3, let's see, 18, so 3, 6, 8, 12. Yeah, so I think it's 5, I'm not good at math. But so you do get them in 3 packs like this, and they are paired. So like a Berrylicious pack, a sugar-free pack. One of the other ones is a Carnival pack, which I believe was root beer, blue bubblegum, and something else. I'm not even going to try to guess, just because. But all the other ones I have in single bottles. I've already opened the 3 packs. So this one's strawberry, blue raspberry, and wild cherry. Like I said, I already had one of these, so I didn't need to open another one. And these flavors, one thing I like about the Snowie flavors, and I'll talk more about this as I go through each flavor, is they don't have that, like, the previous flavors I've bought, like, I think Rival makes one. They just have a medicine taste to them. You don't have that with the Snowie flavors. The Snowie flavors are very, very good. They're not too sweet. They're not undersweetened. The sugar-free flavors are artificially sweetened, so they don't taste, you know, weird or dull or anything like that. Not bland. They're very flavorful as well. So I think I just showed this one. I have another blue raspberry here that is the sugar-free blue raspberry, so you can kind of compare that right there. They look about the same. So the sugar-free ones are very, very good. I've tried the blue raspberry. I had another one of those. One of the other sugar-free ones I've tried wild cherry. I haven't opened one of those as well. And the one I opened from this pack was the lemon lime, which I love the lemon lime flavor, both sugar-free and sweetened. I have my other sugar-free one is downstairs, but that is the sugar-free one right there. My favorite flavor out of all of them is probably going to be sour grape. As you can tell, that's probably like the 3rd bottle of sour grape I've been through. Blue bubblegum is a good one. And this one is Blue Dragon. It's on the side there, Blue Dragon. I actually bought the concentrate so I could make Blue Dragon myself with sugar water. So you can go to the Snowie website and you can purchase concentrate to buy that yourself. If you want to make them out of sugar water, you can make a big batch of sugar water and mix the flavors yourself. So like I said, lemon lime is a good one. Root beer, I have another one of those downstairs, is a good one. It's not too sweet. I would say the root beer could be a little bit sweeter. It just has, since it's not, I'm used to root beer being carbonated, like a soda, so I guess that's probably the difference in that, is it's not carbonated. Like I said, we have sugar-free blue raspberry. And I have purchased countless packs of these, like I said, so that's why some of these aren't open. I've ordered, I would say, at least 3 orders of 3 packs so far on my own before Snowie sent this for review. Sugar-free wild cherry, Like I said, sour grape, which is pretty good. The sour flavors are not overly sour. They are, I don't know how to explain. I can't really explain the taste of these to you guys, because they're artificial flavors. You know, they're not real like fruits or anything. So people are going to taste them differently. We have tiger's blood right here. I do have another one of those open downstairs as well. A lot of people are going to taste these differently, so it's going to be hard to, you know, explain to you guys what they taste like, because people are different about these kind of flavors. All I can say is they're very, very good, and I definitely recommend the Snowie flavors to anyone. If you have a Snowie snow cone maker, I have the little Snowie 2, which I do have a review on that I will link down below. We have Pina Colada. My mom loves this one. I'm not a big Pina Colada fan. Not a bad flavor, just not a big Pina Colada fan. I don't like coconut too much, but my mom does love that flavor when we make snow cones. Watermelon's probably one of my favorites as well. I love watermelon as a fruit and a artificial flavor. We have cotton candy, or pink cotton candy. They do have a blue cotton candy as well. It doesn't come in the pack, but you can order a blue cotton candy from the Snowie website. I don't know what the difference in taste is. I haven't tried the blue one yet. Like I said, we have Blue Dragon, which is kind of like a fruit punch. And then we have Margarita right here. Like I said, there are some flavors that I left out that I've either used or don't have with me right now. But it is an 18 pack. I think I had about 15 right here. It is an 18 pack. It is $69.99, I do believe. Let me check on the current pricing because it did change. Let's see, we have, yes, $69.99 for the 18 pack of assorted flavors. And that, maybe. Okay, I was going to pull up the picture, but Amazon doesn't load the picture. You can order them in 18 pint bottles, or you can do 3 1-pint bottles, and you can pick those in different flavors, and those are $12.99 a piece. That's actually kind of nice because the pricing for those used to be a little bit higher. It looks like the pricing does vary. There is orange, pineapple, tiger's blood, pina colada for $14.99. I'm not going to link the 3-packs in the description below. You can search those up on Amazon, but I will link the 18-pack. The pictures don't want to load for some reason, but like, for example, that one is the tropical pack. So you get different themed packs in the different orders you do. As you can see, I purchased those on March 7th. So very, very good. I do love the Snowie flavors. I love my little Snowie 2 snow cone maker. I use that thing, I would say, 4 or 5 times a week. I use it almost every other day. Every day if I'm not busy. I love snow cones, especially here in the summertime where it's, you know, 90 degrees out. Definitely a refreshing treat to make a snow cone in a cup. I just leave my little Snowie on my counter, put some ice in it, and it's ready to go. This has been Colin with Techout. If you guys have any questions about the flavors, leave them down in the comments below, and I will definitely answer those for you. As always, check out my Amazon link. I'm going to link this in the description below. If you want to check out my little Snowie 2 review, I will also put that in the description down below, and you can see how well the little Snowie 2 shaves ice.